from C1, Dreamer Charles. Dreamer, to pass the ball.
Lumibol, De La Cruz, buti na pull up game, pasok yan tayo De La Cruz, pass inside to Aquino, spin and pass, the favorite move, pass, the free throw shot, Manny! Idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa semifinals ng SEAC Mid 2024 para sa laban ng Our Lady of Pilar College ng San Manuel at Kawayan. Idol, knockout game to kung sino yung mananalo siya na yung pasok sa finals. Para sa mahilig sa cups mga idol, order na kayo sa comment section lang yung link ng Captain Mides Lecture mga idol. Sulit at legit. For St. Pilar College. And first possession and first blood for Team Kawayan. For a big stop. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 11. Matias. Matias kick out. And along to Manny. The net. And here's number 25. Pinasa. And clutch. Stop. Drumibol. De La Cruz. De La Cruz and a pull-up game. Pasok yan kay De La Cruz. And here's number 7 and number 8. Pass to the middle. Aquino, matatapikan ng bola. Maaagaw dito ni number 5, Lopez. And here's number 25, pull-up J. Wala. Number 4, the rebound. Pass to number 25, De La Cruz. Bounce pass. And almost deflect hoop and fire. Pasok yan. Here's number 8 for Team Pilar. San Manuel. Number 11, Matias sa atake. Dumidistarte. Stop. Looking for a receiver. By number 8. Spin move. Kakaldag. Is a spin away shot. And a fallen and air ball. Air rebound. Pass break ngayon to Lopez. Lopez taking. Yes, sir. At mapupunta sa Team San Manuel, dribbling the ball between the legs, pass to Matias, pinasa kay number 27, Castañeda, kick out, far for 3, wala, rebound number 4 for Team Kawayan. And he's low, Bio for 3, atake. Mabibitawan ng bola, mare-recover, titira sa 3. Oh, air ball. And here's number 5, Lopez, for Team Kawayan. Dribbling the ball to Bio. Bio pass inside. Looking for a receiver, pass back, Bio. Bio. Pass to the middle. Pass, Manny. And here's Team San Manuel. Number 11, Matias. Gustong makabawi. Dumitribal. Matias attacking the basket. Pass to number 7. Spin move. Goal. Uy! Put back shot. And a basket and 1. And here's Lopez. Lopez ngayon. Bounce pass. Pass back. Lopez on the free throw shot. Manny. Number 27. Ibababa ang bola between the legs dribble. Pinasa kay number 8. Sa gilid. Bounce pass. Oh! Pass inside to Aquino. Kakaldag. Spin. And pass. The favorite move. Bayan. Dribble. Passes to Castañeda. Between the legs dribble. Sa gilid. Waldo for the 3. Wala. Bio. A chest pass. For a 3. Lopez. Bang! Passes to number 27, Castañeda. Nabitawan ng bola, marirecover dito ni Matias. Cross pass, maagaw dito ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz is straight to the basketball. Here's Castañeda dribbling the ball. Matias for 3. This time, di papasok mga idol. And a rebound for Team Kawayan. Here's De La Cruz, a floater shot using the window. Yes, passes to Matias. Matias. Bio for setting the play. Tumuturo dito, sumisinyas. Pinasa kay De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Diniskarte. Up. Ang gandang pasa ng pass.
This is on the ball. It is the pass. 12 seconds to shoot. Lopez for three.
Here's Bio.
Pass to jersey number 25. Looking for his teammate. Intercepted. Pass to Bio got the ball again. Looking for De La Cruz. 8 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. On chance for three.
For long
For the
play.
long three. Distro. Aquino pass. On chance for 2 points. 12 seconds to shoot. Bio. Inside, Dizzo, 2 points. One chance. Pass to Aquino. Lopez. Inside, Dizzo, 2 points. Standing score, 34-16.
And here's Matias. Go behind the back dribble.
Pass to Garcia.
Number 8. Philippines step first line up.
He's not setting up the play. Pass to Lopez. On the other side, back to Bio. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 for 3. 2 strong. Castañeda.
For 3.
On the other side, De La Cruz. From the other side. Not good. 2 points.
Number 27.
2 points. Now here comes Bio. Pass to Lopez.
For 3.
5 for 3. Not good. Garcia got the rebound. Chance for 3. Bio to Lopez.
Lopez.
Lower. Basket for 3. Castañeda. De La Cruz. Lopez. 2 points. Here comes Mio, pass to De La Cruz. Lopez. Jumper. 2 points. Garcia, pass to Ramos. Here comes Lopez. From the free throw line, basket for 2. Castillo, pass to Ramos. Straight to basket. Garcia and from basket. De La Cruz. 2 points. Here comes De La Cruz. Penetrate. 2 points. Now here comes Machas. 5 for 3. Not good. Gano, pass to Gloria. Straight to basket. Follow up. Not good again. Inside. 2 points. 10 seconds on the window. Machado. Now here comes Garcia. 2 Machas. Too high to catch the ball. Ball possession. Now here comes Lobby. 2 minutes. Inside. 2 points. Here comes Garcia. Machas fakes. Bibit on 3. Not good. Taguba got the rebound. Garcia slice in the middle, not good. Garcia for the long 2, not good. Pass to Machas, 5 for 3. Not good. Garcia, rejected. Here comes Machas, 5 for 3. Bang! Garcia, not good. Straight to the basket, 2 points. Now here comes Lakers. Here comes Machas, left hand, not good. Here comes Makatanda. Castillo straight to the basket. Here's the basket. Ramilo inside, not good. Penetrating in, not good. Inside, 2 points. 5 seconds. 2 points. Oh, Machas intercepted. 2 points. Garcia, straight to the basket, rejected. Ball possession. Yes, the shoot. Garcia, from the shaded area, 2 points. That's against the shoot. Straight to the basket, Machas. Pass to Castañeda, reverse shot, not good. Garcia, 2 points. Here comes Lopez. 1 second to shoot. Penetrate, not good. Aquino got the rebound. Pass to Castañeda. Slice in the middle, pass to Makatanda, not good. Makatanda again. 2 points. Aquino inside. Is the basket. Straight to the basket. 2 points. Speed it up. Pose up. Slice in the middle, using the glass. 2 points. For this substitution, De La Cruz is serving the basket. 2 points. The basket. 2 points. Inside. 2 points. There's substitution. Lopez for 3. Substitution. There's Circus. Here goes Lopez. Garcia. Pass to Maganda. Castaneda. Back to Garcia. Machas. Straight to the basket. 2 points. 7 seconds. 5.
Review.
Here comes Maganda. Pass to Aquino. Magandang inside. 2 points. De La Cruz. To Tuzo. Left. 2 points. Magandang Garcia for 3. Too strong. Garcia got the rebound. 5-footer again. Bang! Pagu inside. Machas for 3, but there is a 12 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds, stay on. Machas. 5 for 3. Not you. Aquino inside. It's the basket. Garcia for 3. Too strong. Inside. 2 points. Lost 30 seconds. Tuzo inside. 2 points. Oh, and PC Kawaya advancing 2